Hello guys, welcome back to my channel. If you are new to this channel, please subscribe to my channel, leave a comment, like the video and share it. Thank you so much. Please, I would like to do a quick video on what is going on in Nigeria between the Super Cup winner Abba Kyari. Most of us have seen what is going on in his trial in the Nigerian courts. There was a video that was trending yesterday or 2 days ago. His wife slumped in the law court. So I just want to ask us some questions. Let's just talk about it, because if you consider what other people have been going through in Nigerian courts, especially the IPOB members and the leader of the Nigerian people of Biafra, Kano, and we have not seen anywhere or any video where any of them faint in the law court, or maybe trying to play this drama that normal Nigerian politicians are normally doing in the court. A few years ago there was a senator that also fainted. So you find out that those people that are committing crime, when they are being persecuted in law court, they're trying to play drama to faint, and I don't know if they're using that to buy people's sympathy or something like that, I don't know. But in the case of Abba Kyari, this is somebody that has been, fighting crime, like they told us, that he is the chief crime fighter. He don't spare any criminality, he don't spare anyone that is involved in any criminality in Nigeria. So here is the case. Now you can see what is going in his own case. He can't even stand the law. He can't even defend himself. Everywhere, all his colleagues, all his family members are shivering. But this guy have been in Southeast committing all kinds of crime in the name of fighting kidnappers and all that. Please, I just want to hear from you. I just want to know your thoughts. What do you think about it? How do you feel about it? Please leave your comment in the comment section. Thank you so much for watching. See you in my next video. Bye bye.